today's my birthday! My mommy prepared some goodie bags for my classmate, teacher, and friends! Happy birthday, Kali! It's cool. My classmate sings happy birthday song to me. Since Daddy's in Abu Dhabi, we decided to have a simple celebration at home. My mommy just bought pizza and ice cream cake. Happy birthday, Ate! Thank you, kiss.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, blow the candle. Wow! Happy birthday, Ate! I love you, Ate!
Love you.
Hi guys, so it's Kali's birthday. Here's Ate Kali.
Hi!
We just had a simple celebration at home since wala pa dito ang kanyang daddy, nasa Abu Dhabi. So we will celebrate once her daddy is back. So we just had some pizza and ice cream cake as requested by our birthday celebrant.
Yeah!
Yay! So bye muna, we'll just gonna have our dinner.
Yeah!